Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make Bluetooth connection between your phone and the Xiaomi speaker. First, in the Google Home app, select your speaker, click on the settings, go for the audio, and right now go for the paired Bluetooth devices. Click to enable the pairing mode. Right now we have to go for the Bluetooth settings on the device that we want to connect with our speaker. So I'm gonna make it with this phone. Click to pair a new device. And now just wait until it pops on the list. Here it is. Just take a look. There's also the iPhone on my side, and when I go for the Bluetooth settings right here and turn it on, the speaker will be also visible, so we can decide on which device you want to connect this speaker. I'm gonna make it, for example, with this phone. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.